Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Gorgeous home with open floor plan, formal living and dining room. Huge family room with fireplace which opens to breakfast area, spacious kitchen with lots of cabinets, island and walk-in pantry. Master bedroom has vaulted ceilings and walk-in closet, bathroom has double vanity, garden tub, and separate shower. Bedrooms are oversized with a large loft area. Enjoy the outdoor on the back paito surrounded with nature. Amenities center with pool, playground, clubhouse and fitness center, stock pond and walking trails.